To automate Authorize Net Webhook events list, you need to understand the basics of webhooks and how they work with Authorize Net. A webhook is essentially a callback function that is triggered by a specific event. In the case of Authorize Net, it can be a payment notification or a subscription update. First, you need to create a webhook endpoint on your server. This is the URL that Authorize Net will send the event notifications to. The endpoint should be able to handle HTTP POST requests and should be able to parse the JSON data sent by Authorize Net. Next, you need to configure the webhook settings in your Authorize Net account. You can do this by logging into your account and navigating to the webhooks section. Here you can add a new webhook and specify the endpoint URL and the events you want to receive notifications for. Once you have configured the webhook, you can start receiving event notifications from Authorize Net. These notifications will be sent as JSON data and will contain information about the event that triggered the notification. For example, if a payment is made, the notification will contain the payment amount and the customer information. To automate the processing of these events, you can write a script that will handle the webhook notifications. This script can be written in any programming language and should be able to parse the JSON data and perform the necessary actions. For example, you can use the notification data to update your database or send a confirmation email to the customer. Best practices for automating Authorize Net webhook events include testing your webhook endpoint thoroughly to ensure it can handle the event notifications correctly. You should also implement error handling to handle any errors that may occur during the processing of the notifications. Additionally, you should ensure that your webhook endpoint is secure and can handle the volume of notifications you expect to receive. By following these steps and best practices, you can automate the processing of Authorize Net webhook events and improve the efficiency and reliability of your payment processing system.